Tara! So, isa-isahin natin ang mga bagay na nasa loob ng box na ito. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. And today, nakikita niyo naman sa description na siguro down below na magkakaroon tayo ng review for the Samsung Galaxy flagship these days. And it would be a review for Note 10 Plus. So, iisa-isahin natin yung mga bagay na sa tingin ko ano ba ang mga nasa loob ng Note 10 Plus na box 1. So, isa-isahin natin ang mga bagay na nasa loob ng box na ito. And we will be having like a first impression review of the Note 10 Plus. May dalawa itong variant, yung Note 10 ng Samsung Galaxy ngayon, at yun ay yung Note 10 at ito nga yung Note 10 Plus na meron tayo. So if you can see, this is like the size of the Note 10 and this is the Note 10 Plus, and comparing the Note 10 Plus with the Galaxy Note 9. So see, medyo magkapareho lang sila. So ngayon, iisa-isahin natin ano ba ang nasa loob ng Galaxy Note 10 Plus na box. May video din ako dito para may dalawang perspective yung ating angulo, no? So, I've said earlier, itong Note 10 Plus, ngayon, ang flagship phone ng Samsung, at it comes with a different variant. Meron din tong 4 colors. So, it would go with Aura White, we have the Aura Black, and we have the Aura Blue. And lastly, ito ngayong meron tayo is yung Aura Glow, which is medyo marami tayong narinig na mga magagandang reviews about the physical aspect of this color. So, we'll see ano kaya ang makikita natin sa loob habang binubuksan natin ito. When you first open the box, of course, nandito yung unit, but we will not go directly to it. Tignan muna natin to. Oh, I'm sorry. So, titignan muna natin to. It will come with this box here and the cover. So, ito yung pin for the SIM card slot and for the memory card at the same time. So, if we open this, we will see, oh, this is the good news about this one. Meron na siyang free jelly case. At last, Samsung, this is a very big yes. Bakit ngayon nyo lang naisipan ito? So, lalagay natin yan mamaya. And of course, the walang kamatayang. Oh, so, here, what I've got is written in Arabic. This is an instruction sheet how to transfer content to your new Galaxy phone. Then, of course, the warranty card. And of course, all paperworks. The quick start guide. What more else we got? So, wala na. Yun yung nakalagay sa box na to. Cover natin. We'll see. So, I've said, we're using the Aura Glow. So, it's really glowing. Okay. Let's deal with that later on. So, below the cover, here's the old holder. Earphones. So same 8kg pa rin siya. And now, tingnan lang natin what's around over there. Oh, so this is the main thing here, which is I'm not really happy about. Kasi ako, mas gusto ko separate yung headphone jack kesa dun sa kanyang charging area. So, given na isa lang ngayon ang slot ng phone, which means hindi ka makakapag-charge at the same time gumagamit ng headphones ng earphones. Ayun lang yung sa akin is like a big no-no. I need a separate one. I need something na may earphone jack dito or somewhere, and at the same time yung charging area. Then we have this one. This comes with a charger. So now, as you can see, Type C to Type C. So ayan yung charging natin is Type C na going to your Type C charging slot, which again I'm not really happy about. Alright, so eto na nga, we have the charger wire, the cords, we have the USB adapter and the delivering S pen. We have the earphones, babalik lang natin sila, and we have the super fast charging. Alright, so ayan po siya. So we have discussed so far yung laman nitong nasa cover and ito nasa base. Now, that's focused on the main thing. So we have now the phone. Unang pagkakita ng phone, of course, ang mapapansin natin agad is yung front camera. Nag-iisa lang siya, which is wala nang notification lights indicator. Wala na rin yung, hindi mo na makikita dito yung speakers. So again, front camera, the SIM card, and the memory card tray. On the side, we have the volume key, up, down, and the side key, power, or Bixby, down. We have our Type-C. Ngayon, both na siya for charging and at the same time, for headphone jack na din. And we have the speakers, and the mouthpiece in here. So, both for Type-C. And we have the S Pen. Mamaya natin i-discuss yan. Main thing here is wala nang button on the right side. Come on! Happy ka ba or hindi? It's up to you. Ako, personally, I'm not happy about it. Nasanay na kasi ako all this time sa lahat ng phones ko before. Nandito yung power button or lock man lang. And kung kayo, gusto nyo yun, nasa subjective naman yun, nasa tao naman. For me, personally, hindi ako happy about that one. And we have now the fingerprint recognition sensor here. Let's talk about again the S Pen. Just press it up. What I've noticed is mas smooth na siyang hugutin, or parang mas nararamdaman ko yung flow ng paghugot ko from here. Kasi sa S9 before, medyo nararamdaman, parang pumipitik siya. Ngayon, hindi siya. Medyo controlled na. Mas controlled na siya. So, what's the main difference between the previous S Pen? Aside sa functions na malalaman natin further, I think yung shape niya yeah, I will show you the Note 9's S Pen. So, I have here. Then, my Note, medyo mas round siya. Wala namang masyadong difference. Pero mas edgy lang tong hawakan tong nasa Note 9. At ito medyo rounded na siya in a way. Okay, balik muna natin. So now, let's open the phone. Pag ino-on, we will press this button here na dati Bixby lang siya. Alright, long press. Here you go. Medyo matagal siya. So, as you can see, na-preset ko na kasi siya before pa man ng video na to. Maybe in the long run, masasanay ka din. Pero ako now, personally, gusto ko may area talaga for these specific things lang. Para siyang naligaw na butas lang dyan. Pero anyway, it's not much of a big deal. I think. Wala pang message. So, mabilis na siya ngayon. So, mainly, yun lang. And, of course, the color. Tingnan niyo naman. Napaka-awesome ng color niya. See? I-discuss natin yung nasa likod ng ating Note 10 Plus. So, meron tayong tatlong cameras. The first one, since medyo mali-mali yung sinasabi ko sa first video, so this first camera is an ultra-wide one with 16 megapixel, and the second one is the wide angle with 12 megapixel, and the telephoto one with depth vision camera VGA, and of course on the other side the depth vision camera, and the top side one is in the flash. So we have 4,300 milliampere battery capacity. So which means mas better siya compared sa Note 9. Size-wise, kasi nasanay na ako sa malaking phone. So sa akin okay siya. And very light lang siya. So that's it. That's for the initial impression of our Note 10 Plus. Pasensya na. Baguhan tayo sa ganitong mga. So, ayan, natapos na tayo sa ating review sa ating Note 10 Plus. And ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano nga kayong difference na from, yung in terms of size lang naman, from Note 9 to Note 10 Plus. So, hindi siya ganito laking difference. And main thing here now is, ako, personally, preferred ko yung nandito yung fingerprint. Kaya ako kasi, pagkuha ng phone, diretso dito. Kasi open na siya. Kasi nga, dito na diretso. Ayoko nang pipindutin ko to kasi mag-a-adjust na naman yung kamay ko. Punta dito, which is yung nangyayari dito sa ating Note 10 Plus. Ayan siya. Which is, mabilis naman siya, but I just don't like it. Pag din-drag down nyo to, yung power button is nandito. So, ayan. By the way, guys, kung ako yung tatanungin, kung worth it ba na mag-shift from Note 9 to Note 10 Plus, personally, hindi ako ganun ka-convinced. I'm happy with my Note 9 now. And by the way, this phone is not mine. It will be given for someone. This is not mine for you. So baka lang akala nyo may Note 9 na ako. Magkakaroon pa ako ng Note 10 Plus. I think I'll be using my Note 9 until masira na lang siya. And I don't think it will be anytime soon kasi sobrang efficient pa rin niya even after a year ko na siyang ginagamit. And I have done a lot of stuff here. And I do my editing of my videos here in my Note 9. I do also the videos with my Note 9. Dito ako nag-shoot. Ngayon lang, may gamit ako ibang camera kasi nga I just want to give you a look of the difference somehow ng Note 9 sa Note 10 Plus. So, if this is not mine to use, it will be used by someone. So, I hope that someone would love this phone. For sure, no? Alright, yun lang. Bye-bye.